our final section. This is called our compliment jar. We have gotten compliments from folks who identify as men, who have written on your Instagram, on your YouTube, and we'd love for you to read them and react.
Oh my god, this is so sweet. Hey, I saw this random reel and you killed it. I want to follow you. Your personality is amazing and I love your voice, your work, and the way you present yourself. I want to meet you sometime. I love it. This is too sweet, yeah.
There's many.
Shit. This is why I keep going. This is why I keep going. Oh my god. This is just... I'm such a softie. Okay, now this one's like, I'm reading this to myself, but like I have tears in my eyes. I just hate you. इतना talent, अच्छा, इतना talented कोई कैसे हो सकता है? So cute. I don't know. I got so confused. I was like, ये क्या? Oh, but that's so sweet. I have tears in my, and he put eyes and all, and then water separately. I just love this. There is a crying emoji, guys. But you're too cute. It's so sweet. Can I please spend a day with you, even if it is as your spot boy? This is so sweet. This is one of my kids only. This song is so close to my heart for so many reasons, and so are you. Lovely, Meri Rani Didi. Voice bhi unki lovely. Ye. Voice of the LGBT community. I love it. Yes. Yeah.
I think that's a lovely note to end on. Thank you so much, Rani. You're an inspiration to everyone over here, to all of us on this set, to me personally, as I've told you many times over. It really means a lot that आपने वापस अपना समय दिया, अपनी warmth दी, अपना प्यार दिया, इतनी empathy से सब समझाया है, and some sassiness से भी, which I think, as I said, every energy is important.
Yes.
So thank you so much for being here.
Thank you.
I'm so privileged to have you here.
It's my pleasure completely, and I'm just thankful to you for giving me this opportunity to sit here and share with everyone. So thank you.
Well, the pleasure and privilege, as I said, is all mine. Thank you so much. अगर आपको हमारी conversation पसंद आई, please like, share and subscribe.
And follow We Are Yuva on all social media handles. And listen to our chat on all audio streaming platforms.
पूरी conversation is on all audio streaming platforms as well. So yeah, please give it a listen. Is it possible that हम बचपन में ना हम कुछ भी हो सकते हैं, मतलब किसी को भी लाइक कर सकते हैं, but I am now opening myself up to even thinking कि यार हाँ ये लड़का हॉट है, ये मुझे पसंद है, ये मुझे सेक्सी लगता है, and it's not and so what, what is the big deal,
But अगर अब for example कोई the thing is that it could be sexual, it could not be sexual.
Correct.
It's okay also to normalize men admiring men.
Yeah.
In a non-sexual way.
Yeah.
Like for example, like even girls do that all the time and it's considered normal. Like a girl will be like, I love you look so pretty. I love it. Can I just give you a big hug? You're so hot. That's not sexual. That's considered sisterhood or my God, yes, sis, work, queen. So why can't the guys do not work, yes, king, but they can do whatever they want, but also compliment another man and say, "Ki yaar, you look good. You're looking so good today."
Yeah.
That doesn't make, and even, so the whole thing about perception about, oh my God, that's so gay.
Yeah.
It's just like, honey, no, that's not gay. Being gay is not just like, a slang for a lot of people. That's their personality, that's their life, that's who they are. And so this is a reality of their lives. So it's like me saying just, oh my God, that's so straight. What?
Absolutely. मैं
तो condition होता है, but आपने जब बोला ना society हमें condition करती है, but हम ही society है.
Correct.
You and I are society.
Yeah.
So we need to tweak it now.
Yeah.
अभी वो narratives change करने पड़ेंगे.
मैं तो बहुत open हो गया हूँ. I love you बोलना तो सारे लड़कों को बोलता हूँ मैं बार-बार, जैसे ना कि अब मैं किसी ने अच्छी गुड लुकिंग फोटो डाली ना, मैं ना आई ऑलमोस्ट थिंक ऑफ इट एज अ ड्यूटी. लड़के जो भी अच्छी फोटो डाल रहे हैं मेरे दोस्त होते हैं, मैं फायर के इमोजीज डालूंगा,
Of course.
मैं उफ बोलूंगा,
Yes.
मैं बोलूंगा सेक्सी लड़का लग रहा है.
बिल्कुल.
कि इट इज
बिल्कुल बोलना चाहिए.
या बिकॉज आई फील लाइक कि जो ना
Why not?
करेक्ट. एंड यू नो कि ये बड़े होते हैं, अगर हम लोग ना इस तरीके से हम एक दूसरे को चीयर भी करते हैं ना,
Yes.
शायद हमारे अंदर भी जो ना जैसे बॉडी पॉजिटिविटी की बातें होती है, मैं देखता हूँ बहुत कम मेल इन्फ्लुएंसर्स वगैरह बॉडी पॉजिटिविटी की बात कर पाते हैं. मुझे तो खुद यू नो अपने like it's taken me a lot of therapy to not look at myself and judge myself. I genuinely feel so much of my mind opened up after going to therapy. जो मतलब एक internalized patriarchy भी होती है, एक internalized understanding of gender होता है, जो until you are able to have conversations, open conversations, vulnerable conversations, जहाँ आप खुद सोच सको इन चीजों के बारे में, आप वो होती नहीं बात. तो आपने कभी थेरेपी कोशिश किया, ट्राई किया?
ऑफ कोर्स. थेरेपी का मतलब ये नहीं है कि आपको पागल होना चाहिए थेरेपी लेने के लिए. थेरेपी सो दैट आप पागल नहीं हो, क्योंकि बहुत पागल हैं आजू बाजू जो आपको भी पागल बनाना चाहते हैं. तो अगर आप थेरेपी नहीं लेंगे तो आप पागल बनेंगे. ये इससे आप छुटकारा नहीं पा सकते. चूतियों का जेंडर नहीं है. हमारे कम्युनिटी समुदाय में बहुत है. ये नहीं होता कि वी आर फार्टिंग रेनबोज ऑल द टाइम. ये जो प्राइड मंथ में बकवास दिखाते हैं कि ये रेनबो लगा देते हैं सब जगह, हमारे में भी वहां चूतिए लोग होते हैं ना. देन देयर इज नो जेंडर फॉर चूतियापा.
I've never heard a better explanation for therapy in my life.
Oh my God, one of my cousins told my other cousin, you need to just go for therapy. You need to take this to the therapist. I'm not mad. She's like, no, but you're on your way. So my thing is that मेरे को तो लगता है सबको थेरेपी देनी चाहिए, सबको लेनी भी चाहिए और सबको देनी भी चाहिए, और जो देते हैं वो भी लेते हैं.
Correct.
That just sounds wrong, but my thing, you know what I'm saying.
एक जो मुझे आपकी मदर ने एक जो बात बोली थी, जो मुझे ना आई थिंक इतनी प्यारी लगी, जब आपने इंटरव्यूज में बताया कि दैट शी इज टोल्ड यू दैट कि तुम में मुझे बेटा और बेटी दोनों मिल गए.
Yeah.
एंड आई फील लाइक कि हर इंसान के अंदर ना वो एक मैस्कुलिन और फेमिनिन एनर्जी होती है.
Yeah.
और इट्स okay for us to be able to tap into every one of these.
बिल्कुल.
Gender is just, as I said, spectrum होता है, sexuality spectrum होता है, but energy सारी होती है, and we should be comfortable tapping into all of them. And and thank you so much for this wonderful, and again I know ये ना एक emotional labor है जो आप कर रही हो, you know, सबके लिए, by repeatedly going out there and putting yourself out there. I genuinely want to thank you, रानी. आप जो ये आपको आपने खुद बोला है कि इतना आपको प्यार वापस भी मिलता है, बट it's what you're doing is I think something that is going to go down in history. You've been incredible.
Or history.
Or history, absolutely. So you know, on that note, we have two very short and quick and fun rounds.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe and share.